Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a good, healthy day. Yeah, pulled back a little bit, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks that make fantastic movements like this, and then the next day, things literally collapse, and it goes right back to where it started, or in some cases, even lower than that. But that wasn't the case here. Sure, there was a pullback, but there's a big difference between a pullback and a collapse, and by no means was this any sort of collapse. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level down here to really illustrate this. But think about it right now, assuming the price continues to do what it's been doing, and that is holding above 12 cents. You can see once, twice, a couple more times this afternoon, the price has bounced beautifully right off that 12-cent mark. But as long as that continues to happen, so like I said, assuming that continues, so the price bounces around a little bit more and then eventually works its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you still have? Well, that would give you a set of lows right here. That would give that next set of lows down there. The next set of lows would be right there. And if you envision, again, emphasis on big picture, each of these lows as, a stair step. So from the big picture point of view, these stair steps would still very clearly be going in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. You want to see stair steps making progress, and that's what's still totally in play right now. I do realize, though, that if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and if you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well, then yeah, from that point of view, from that perspective, the chart looks really, really bad for you. However, assuming you care about the grand scheme of things, sure, the price did pull back from its highs, but from the overarching standpoint, you can see here that the price still does have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the price can do that moving forward by continuing to stay at least above the 12-cent mark. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.